Hello, welcome to Mr. Rhino 3D channel. Let's learn some commands for extracting borders from solid shapes and exporting them into DXF format. Control-Shift left-click. Duplicate border. This command creates curves from the boundaries of the selected objects. Duplicate border. This command creates curves from the boundaries of the selected objects. Set XYZ coordinates. This command moves selected points and control points of objects to a specified location in the X, Y, and/or Z directions. Text. This command draws text-shaped curves, surfaces, or polysurfaces based on TrueType fonts. Select all the objects you want to export, and then choose Export Selected, then DXF. Select DXF file format and save. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.